Hello everyone, today I am back with another unboxing from Coey Bags and I cannot wait to show you what I got. This one is adorable, so I'm going to unbox it and show you everything. It comes in a beautiful box and this duster bag. And this is the bag that I got. It's condensed down and it pops right open to the Louis Vuitton Speedy. How gorgeous is this? And it's not just your typical Speedy. They have come out with a boho style. So it comes with this added chain that clips on. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh. I love this added little touch. It gives it so much personality. So I have a discount code. It is Angela15 for 15% off. I will leave everything linked down below. I highly recommend checking them out. They have Louis Vuittons, Fendi, Prada, Dior, any purse that you want, they have it. So they have a ton of options. Definitely check them out below. But yes, I went for this Speedy, and one of the main reasons is I feel like the Speedy has so much space. So when you open it up, it is just massive. You can fit your life in here, but I also do love that the Speedy purse doesn't look too big, if that makes sense. So it fits a ton, but it kind of looks like a medium-sized purse that you could use for every single day. It has a really fun shape to it, and I love that about it. And there are a ton of options, so you can hold it with the double straps, or it also comes with a medium length strap, and that is great for putting over your shoulder and being hands-free. Furthermore, I do want to talk a little bit more about this little chain. It has green and gold and white beads on it, and a 4-leaf clover here, and then a bead that says LV on it. So I will take this little chain off right now. You just push the lever in and it pops right off really easily. This is great because it's versatile. You could put it on any of your purses if you wanted to. And then this Speedy purse comes with the lock as well. And you don't have to put the lock on here, but I thought it was another fun added touch. And it comes with the keys for the lock. So you just put the keys in and the lock will open up. So you could use this lock for added security on your purse and actually lock your purse and then, hide the keys. But for me, I just love the look of this together. So this is beautiful, and I love the boho theme of it. And it's really heavy and a nice durable beads and a nice strong material. So I'm just going to add that back on to the purse. Really loving the boho vibes. But let me show you what this purse looks like on. I love that it can fit so many things. Since I'm always on the go, I need something that can fit my water bottle and my wallet and my phone, lip gloss, anything for an emergency. The Speedy is just incredible. And I love the silhouette of this bag. It is timeless, classy, sophisticated, and as you saw in the beginning, it can fold down really easily if you want to pop it in your suitcase or something like that. It has the classic monogram print, which I feel like goes with everything, and it is real leather, and it has the gold zipper with the LV on the zipper. And I love the interior color. Oh, gorgeous. So pretty. I know I'm going to get a ton of use out of this purse. It is a beauty for sure. It's giving Y2K vibes, I think. Super cute. So thank you all for watching this unboxing. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Once again, this is the Speedy and my code is Angela15 for 15% off. I'll link everything down below. Definitely go check out Coey Bags. They are the best of the best. top-notch quality. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye.